Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Just clean your cabinets with the help of borax powder or sprinkle it in the cabinets. You will see the difference. Eggs are another way to get rid of these roaches. Just get empty eggshells and place them inside your kitchen cabinets and they would stop them from entering the shelves. Powdered sugar can help. 2.15 March 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Keep a box of baking soda in your workshop or kitchen to sprinkle on a fire if one breaks out. Set out a shallow dish or bowl containing equal parts sugar and baking soda. Roaches are attracted to the sugar, but the mixture is deadly to them. Sprinkle baking soda on greasy spots and let sit for about an hour. 28 January 2008.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.